Hey, what up? We are reacting to Cut. I don't like uncircumcised men. Okay. Let's go.
Hold on to my wrist and I'll show you something.
Okay.
So leverage with wrist. And you can't really hold on to me, right?
Okay.
And I could give you one of those.
Welcome to The Button, a speed dating show.
Domestic
When the
abuse
button
is
lights
the
up
first
red,
date.
either player may
At least
press
he's
it
honest.
and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all-expenses-paid second date.
On this episode of The Button,
Wait.
the two holding rooms will be able to watch live feeds of our dates in the studio.
I'm a Scorpio. I'm nasty.
Let's see what happens.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
My name is Reed.
Reed, I'm Shay.
I can't wait. I'm so nervous. Like they're watching.
What the hell is this behind his head? What is this mud?
This, that's kind of weird.
Let's
It's
breathe
different,
together.
So,
Inhale.
Exhale. Yeah.
Fun fact about Shaquila, she likes to fight and she's a mom.
Oh, you be beating your kids?
No.
He's making sure they don't get the date. What the fuck?
Reed,
She likes to fight and she's a mom.
That was smart. That was smart what he said.
fun fact about Shaquila, she likes to fight and she's a mom.
Oh, you be beating your kids?
No. I think whoopings are abuse.
Reed, do you agree?
I have a terrible saying. I beat children. I'm
You
sorry.
beat children?
But I have no kids.
Is that to say you have?
Whose kids are you beating?
A little bit. I actually like never really hit a child.
But you believe in it, is what you're
Definitely,
saying.
yes.
Okay.
When I have
Okay.
children,
Oh.
that's big.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh,
Why?
you're the one with kids. Humble yourself.
It just felt like I needed to be honest. I don't fuck with that.
Me neither.
Thanks for understanding.
That's why you're
but-
a mom and you're here.
So, hi.
I didn't want to interrupt your date with the button.
Face
Oh,
it.
sorry.
I'm not shaming. I'm just saying. She's like, no, I don't fuck with them. Like, don't beat kids. That's why you're here with kids. It's because you don't beat them.
You don't think you're more important than the button?
I mean, that's up to you, right?
Totally.
What is going on with his hair, though?
The hair, the nails.
Okay.
Everything.
She said all of it.
I'm in software engineering, bartending.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Software
I have a
engineer,
dream of being a
bartender.
bartender. Yeah.
What's your go-to drink?
My go.
Okay, I don't know what that looks like, but
I don't know
software engineering
the
and
mini
bartending
the
is-
mini earrings, the nail polish, the shirt. Listen, I don't want this guy next to my kids.
Go-to drink is probably a margarita right now.
I make the best margaritas.
Ooh,
Yeah.
do you?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Like,
Drink brandy and whiskey like a man. You tell me you're drinking margaritas, fucking drinks with
What do you drink?
leaves on it. Drink water like a man. That's what I drink. I drink water.
He does not drink.
Don't tell me, I drink margaritas.
Margarita.
I drink margaritas and dumb shit.
I
like
drink
that.
juice.
Oh, yeah.
are you circumcised?
Are you circumcised?
Oh, we been there.
Shaquila does not like a man who's uncircumcised.
Too many experiences with Dick Lincoln.
No, yeah, I'm circumcised. That's what you told him when you signed up? They were like, tell me about yourself. I can't have a
Oh
man
my
who's
gosh.
uncircumcised.
Okay.
You've had a bad experience with
I
someone.
have.
I don't even want to hear about it, to be honest.
You don't have to. You don't have to talk about it.
No,
we can
we don't.
act like,
Like
the button
nothing
doesn't
happened.
know. Like,
Press
feel about
you
kids?
nigger.
I have a child.
You have a child?
I have a child. Is that your like deal breaker? You don't date people with kids?
My last relationship, she had a kid, and it kind of like deterred me away from like that kind of lifestyle.
If you don't mind me asking, what was the like hang up?
40 hours of my week is working from home, so I would be like the babysitter.
No.
Yeah, kind of got a little confusing when it came
What
to the
happened to
topic
school?
of discipline.
Was she a gentle parent?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, and he was spoiled because of it.
Okay.
Press.
Thank you.
Hey,
I
fine.
think
I know
you're
I was
awesome.
enjoying my time.
Yeah, no, don't be sorry. Don't be sorry at all.
Yeah.
You're next. I guess. I don't want to date him.
I'm digging the blue.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Anita.
Tristan.
Nice to meet,
Oh,
meet you.
nice to meet you too.
So something they say we shouldn't talk about on dates is money and politics.
Ooh.
But on
Spicy.
my dating show, I like
You
to talk
do.
about both.
Okay. You know how like there's that one song that goes like, it's not about the money, money, money. You forget about the prize tag.
So you don't care about money too much.
No. I said, do you know the song?
I know.
I think only rich people say money doesn't matter. Money
Right.
gets you clothes, food, gas, rent. Like, so I
what
don't.
do you do?
Ooh, I work at Mercedes-Benz.
Oh, you're a
I'm in sales.
car. Yeah, you're in sales.
Yeah.
Make some good money. Nice.
Yeah, I had the sales.
Tristan, are you okay if your partner makes more money than you?
If they don't hold it above my head.
Oh, yeah. How do you feel about guns?
I've had a lot of fun with guns,
Yeah.
but I don't understand the obsession with them.
Yeah. You can do whatever. You can have your guns. Don't shoot anybody.
Yeah.
Don't affect me. Don't affect.
Then why have
They
guns?
want to have guns.
I mean, they have one use.
Especially if you live in the city. Like, you can't shoot animals.
They have one use.
In which case, why the hell would you shoot animals?
Imagine buying all that spray, cleaning your gun, deassembling it,
Yes, detergent.
just to flip it and put it in
But
the
I
safe.
hear your gun would not work if you wash it with detergent.
I don't know, but hey,
I think they say it blows up in your hand. I don't know.
yeah, man. But if you have a gun, like shoot it. Just saying.
Like negatively on other
Right.
people.
I just don't see like the romantic spark.
Yeah.
That's what was missing.
Of course, we're looking for a spark. Of course, he is.
This is weird.
Why am I too nice?
That's what I told you.
What's your name?
Rashida, nice to meet you.
Rashida. Tristan. Nice to meet you.
Are you originally from Seattle?
No, I'm from the Bahamas.
Oh, nice. I'm from Dominica.
Okay.
So tell me a little bit about you though. Like,
I go for really long walks. I'm not quite like a hiker, but I like to walk around the city.
wow, that's really like the opposite of what I do. 'Cause
What do you do?
I'm very much like a homebody. I like cooking, so I spend a lot of time in the
Every
kitchen.
girl likes being home.
Oh!
She pressed the button. She pressed the button. Let's go.
It was nice to meet you.
You too.
If you've been trying to use YouTube Shorts, but all of your views are falling flat,
Shut up, you're not
check this out.
working.
And
Not your type?
No, I feel like he was just a little too slim, and I just wasn't feeling like his like hairdo.
It's just me or women are starting to be more so into men who are bigger or out of shape.
It's because they are out of shape.
Yeah, like I've noticed that these days, like women, they literally shame you for being in
There's
shape.
no woman who goes to the gym who would say, I want a man who's out of shape. No, it's because they know the pain that goes into the gym. That's women who are out of shape and yeah.
Not a dreadlock fan?
I am. I have dated people with dreadlocks. I just didn't like his dreadlocks.
I'm Jared.
Rashida, nice to meet you.
So fun fact about Jared, he actually likes to make weapons.
Jared looks old.
What kind of weapons?
Jared looks...
No, it's restoring spears. Like my family comes from Mindanao, which is a very indigenous headhunting part of spears. Like my family comes from Mindanao, which is a very indigenous headhunting part of the Philippines. So I have a lot of old weapons, and I like the aesthetic of traditional weaponry.
Jared, can you show us some of the martial arts moves?
yes, please.
Slap the shit out of her.
Actually, please.
Slap the shit out
And
of
then
her.
you say you should have blocked.
Slap the beat Jesus out of her.
Leverage with wrist,
I'm joking.
and you can't really hold on to
I'm
me.
not.
Okay.
And
Slap the
I
beat
could
Jesus.
give you one of those. You know what I mean?
Outside of creating the weapons, it also mentioned playing with the weapons, and I feel like I need to know a little more about the play part.
It's kind of like if you build a car, you want to take it for a test drive. So that's how I express myself physically when it comes to
Shooting at people.
This girl is about to be a winner.
Wait, why'd you press me?
I feel like a lot was being said, but not a lot was being said. The answers were very
What the hell
vague.
does
I
that
wasn't
mean?
getting to know
I get
who
that.
you are.
Yeah.
You're very cute.
My name's Casey.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
I moved to Seattle from
Yeah,
New York
Casey.
about a year ago.
I need me
but I'm
one of
originally from the
those.
Caribbean. I like
It's gonna be a
cooking.
long way.
That's
Hey.
important. Food's everything.
Casey, do you like to eat?
Look at me. What? Come on, man.
If you had to pick a food to describe your sex life,
Why?
what food would it be and why?
This is why the world is fucked up. The first thing you talk about is sex life.
Give me something spicy, huh?
Wet and messy.
She said wet and messy.
Yo,
Casey, do you like wet and messy?
I'll plead the fifth.
Casey, do you like wet and messy?
Look at this man. He loves it.
plead the fifth.
Okay, how would you describe your sex life? You don't
I'm a
have to tell me.
Scorpio. I'm nasty.
It's a dignified, but that's just me.
Ooh.
That's a good question because it's not going to replicate like my nastiness. I haven't done everything that I'm willing to do. You know what I'm saying? But
What are you willing to do?
I got it hit the button though.
Hey.
You are cool. You know what I'm saying? But I just don't necessarily see it going
Okay.
forward. But I
Nice to meet
appreciate it.
you.
Nice to meet you too. What is your like deal breakers?
I'd say somebody that's like just not honest at all. Like there's no reason to lie at all.
That's the only one?
Honestly, that's it. That's it. What's yours?
I feel like confidence is a big thing. I don't like possessive people. Yeah, this is coming from a past, you know what I'm saying? I just know what I don't like at
Tell
this
me
point.
more.
Oh, you don't want to know about that.
I want to.
You know, experiences teach you what you either want or don't want. I just know what I don't want. You ain't never been with somebody that's like semi-controlling or something? Or like, I mean, that's good. You know what I'm saying? I don't wish that on you at all. I've only encountered it one time, but I just know never again.
All right.
What's up?
Ask her if you're her type.
Am I your type?
For sure.
I would've
I
said
like
no.
the teddy bear type. So this is definitely my type.
Casey, do you think she's attractive?
Seems like I'm not gonna be having a wife soon, man. You know? Like my 4-pack is like coming in now. It's like these girls don't want people in shape.
Just give me. I just want the beard, bruh. We can have all the other stuff.
The teddiness.
Yeah, you can. Jesus Christ, you can keep that dome you have.
Hey man, I've been
That
doing
watermelon you've been hiding there. You can keep that shit.
I've been doing elevated push-ups, decline push-ups. You know, I'm in the best form of my life, but women want fat guys. Fuck.
Fat guys are always gonna win.
Yes, but I'm never joining.
Except when you're racing.
Hey.
She is attractive. She got a nice smile, nice lips and stuff. Yeah, she's
Appreciate
attractive.
it. Yeah.
You ever cheating on somebody?
She looks like she has.
She told him look like
The Computer Fest, available September
I know those
14th.
faces. You're like, nah, she's not.
I have not.
Well, I feel like you kind of like.
I didn't.
Was
I
it like
didn't.
a almost or something?
It wasn't. I didn't. Never cheated.
She has never.
Never cheated.
You guys weren't like officially together or something?
You feel me?
Oh, so,
Also, you
so
know,
there's a little more to the story.
Just a little break.
Y'all was mutually on a break.
For sure.
See?
I was.
Were you guys like still messing with each other during the break?
That's too many.
I'll never understand people who go on a break. It has never made sense to me. Because what is a break?
Fuck a break.
And what's it for?
I don't have time for stupid shit.
Questions.
Okay.
The second trend, right? She's pushing it.
No, I don't think she's pushing it.
She's pushing it.
I don't think either
She's pushing it.
I just want to hear like the story, but
That's the
when
truth.
we get into the whole story, I feel like
That's true. A break for sure.
You're right. You're right.
She likes it. I know that look, especially on the first date.
story. I
I
feel
know
That's
that
true.
look
A
on the
break
first
for
date.
sure.
You're right. You're right.
She's feeling it. Bro, this is gonna be a date.
I think I have a way to help solve this.
What's the question?
So I'm gonna say a list of scenarios,
Why?
and you'll each say true or false. People should be friends with their exes.
False.
False.
You be doing this honest mouth.
I said false. For sure.
Women can't have too many guy friends.
False.
True.
That's like a situational thing. It depends on how she acts with her guy friends. If I see something that's red flaggish and I address it and I don't feel like
Voilà.
heard
Is
enough
that
for it to
true?
have been addressed, then it's a problem.
Yes.
Sex on the first date is okay.
True.
I mean, shit, you hit it off, you hit it off.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah. So
I'm pro-choice, you know what I'm saying? If we both consent, then we fucking. if we
I'm pro-choice.
hit it off, you hit it off.
yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah. So
I'm pro-choice, you know what I'm saying? If we both consent, then we fucking. But I do feel like you done cheated on Brody, man.
I never cheated.
Why?
Jared, she can cheat on me.
That guy's thirsty. Who said that?
You
That
gonna,
way brothers.
you gonna stick with it, huh?
Huh?
You gonna stick with that
I am.
for sure.
How can you
I
tell?
don't understand what happened.
Man. She's hella cool. I just feel like she may have possibly been holding back a little bit of truth.
You lying.
We're gonna have to end today because we got no matches.
Alright, but
Wait,
Go
so
to
what
Target.
happens to the guys
Bye, keep it
who
on.
never got to come?
I
Or
think-
maybe
I
they
think maybe
edit differently.
They make another episode. They have to.
Okay, probably, yeah. Can't have me using my cologne and then I'm just going home just like that. Like, come on.
And why? Why did he do that? Ah, crap. But yeah, that was cut. I don't like uncircumcised men.
That came from the mom, right?
Hmm?
Was that the mom? No, it wasn't the mom.
No, it
was the
wasn't the
second
mom.
girl.
It was the second girl.
Miss Wet and Messy.
How
But does not like hoodies.
how we love it.
Okay, you and your community. But please like, subscribe, and suggest. Please give us a like. And suggest any other video you want us to react to. We'll react to it and give you a shout out. Otherwise, watch all the other videos that we have. Very cool. Give them a like too. And watch all the other videos that we have coming up next.
See you next time.